Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create QR code for your website or for your YouTube channel or any other things by using Canva app. We will see how to use Canva app and create a QR code. At first, launch Canva app in your system. Here, click on plus sign from top tab and create a new design. What do you like to create? Here type logo, because we will create QR code as a logo size. So type logo and press enter. A new blank page will be now created. Logo size. Thereafter, from the left side of menu bar, scroll down and look for apps. Click on apps. Thereafter, search Canva apps. Under search field, type QR code. Press enter. Now, under available result, choose QR code. Click on QR code and now add a URL, and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So enter your URL where you want to use QR code. Simply, for example, I will enter my site URL www.tipshowto.com. Simply copy it and paste it in under URL section. You can also customize this QR code, where is feature, background color, foreground color, and some other size also available. Simply drag the slider to increase or decrease size, margin, and also background color you can easily change from here. They will choose black and white, and finally click on generate. Click on generate code. Now your code is now generated. Here, crop your image. Simply choose as per your size, and we have recently set it as logo size. Expand it, set in the box, and finally click on share from the top right corner. Click on share, and here choose image size. Click on download and choose a file type, either PNG or JPG. Choose JPG and click on download. Now choose a location to save this QR code. Choose a location and finally click on save. Now your newly created QR code have been saved. Now you can use this QR code as per your choice, as per your requirement, in various sites, channels, or anywhere else. This is your newly generated QR code. So you can easily use this QR code for this particular site for which you have created this and use it. That's all.